Let's calculate this using logarithm table. Solution. We draw a tabular form. We have the number log and workings in case we have any. So now we'll start with the first number, 72.89, and we'll find the log for 72.89. To do that, we know the logarithm has two parts, the integer part and the decimal part. For the integer part, to get the value for our integer, count the number of digits you have before decimal point. 1, 2, subtract from 1 point. You can equally find the integer by expressing this in standard form and bringing out the integer when after expressing it in standard form. So for the decimal part, under the logarithm table, we check 72 under 8, then we add up the value you get for the difference of 9, which is going to give us 8626. Then divided by 2.934. Same thing here, we'll find the integer, the logarithm of 2.934, and for the integer part, that's going to give us 1. Since we have just one digit before the decimal point, minus 1, 0 point. Now on logarithm table, we check 29 under 3, difference 4. And when you check that, we have 4675. Then since we are dividing out, we subtract the logarithm values. 6 minus 5, that's 1. What's take away 7 from 2? That's not possible, so we borrow 1 from 6, that's become 5. Then this becomes 12. 12 minus 7, 5. What's take away 6 from 5? That's not possible. We also borrow again. This becomes 7, this becomes 15. 15 minus 6, we have 9. 7 minus 4, 3. 1 minus 0, 1. Now here is the final value for our logarithm. Then we'll take the antilog. To take the antilog of this value, we know it's only the decimal part to be reading from our table. That is, under the table, we'll be checking 39 under 5, difference 1, which is we're having as 2484. Now, to know where the decimal point is going to be, we have this integer 1, we add 1 to it, 2. So that means our decimal point will be after the first 2 digits, 1, 2. So that gives us our final answer, 24.84. Thank you.